Hello, ladies and gentlemen, all of you welcome. You will see a traditional and local recipe in this video. Cultural food from the Ottoman period to the present day. The famous long pita bread made in Konya is known as Turkish meat bread. To make bread with meat, it is necessary to prepare dough first. Dough is kneaded with yeast, flour, salt and water and needs to wait. Doughs need to be prepared in 180-gram pieces. The doughs are prepared round and left for 1.5 hours. This hard dough should be in an elastic texture and it should be kept for easy opening. The mixture used in making meat bread, the necessary materials and preparation. Minced beef, only beef is used. Parsley, green pepper, tomato, onion and salt are used. No other seasoning is used, sometimes the secret of flavor is hidden in plain ingredients. Machine is not used, vegetables are chopped and thinned with a special big line knife. After chopping the vegetables, it will be mixed with minced meat and salt will be added. Do not prepare in advance and the material does not wait for a long time, it is prepared fresh. Ready to cook after mixing completely. Meaty bread, a wood fire oven with a stone covered base is required to bake. The doughs are opened by hand, slightly wet. After the dough is opened a little, the mixture is added and the mixture is adhered to the dough. After the mixture is placed in the dough, it is given a rather long shape. The biggest feature of meat bread is that the dough is different and as long as possible. Hassan Usta is an award-winning master in the bakery competition. Thank you for sharing how to make a meatloaf with us. Cook on wood fire for 2 minutes, then turn the other side. Meat breads were baked in 4 minutes in total. Meaty bread will be served traditionally after slicing. It takes a long plate to serve, put it tall high on the table. Add a little parsley on it, served with salads and appetizers. There is a meat and bread eating contest in this restaurant. If you can eat 10, there is a cash prize. It is very impressive, fresh, crispy and quite delicious with its different presentation. Turkey also think that this is a dish you have to try. We have come to the end of the video prepared for you. Thanks to everyone who watched the videos and supported me. See you in a new video. Goodbye.